10 o'clock. We're at the dentist. The kids have their cleaning scheduled for today. So they just all got called back at the same time. Like 3 different people came to get them. So they're back there getting their cleanings. And we have to go. We have to go get Isaiah a suit today. We just found out yesterday that he has, for speech, they are doing like mock interviews or something like that. So he has to go get a suit. He does not have a suit. So we're gonna go try to look around. I know JCPenney's having a sale on some stuff, so we're gonna go check JCPenney's out first and see what they have. And we gotta go home first because Xavier has work today. Hey, maybe we just take Xavier to work and we can get look in the outlet. You think there'll be anything at the outlet? Never mind. Scratch that. And we'll see you later. Hi, baby. What did they say? They say your teeth are busted. You need all kind of work. Are we cavity free again? We just threw her hair back this morning, so don't mind that. What? Like she still had. I had to wake all them up. Shut up. They was all asleep this morning. I had to wake them up. Kaya, why you? What did they say? Are you all good?
They said get out.
They didn't say anything else about the. They asked you about the ortho.
Little girl, go out there. Go.
Did they ask you if you went to the ortho? Guys, Kaya's getting braces at the beginning of the year.
No. No.
Did they give you a toothbrush? Let's see what's in the bag.
Yeah, let's see what's in the bag. This coffee tastes funny.
The ball was in the bag, so you know.
What ball?
Ball wasn't in the bag.
What ball?
The ball was on the counter.
A ball? What? Oh, that's pink. Did you tell them why they give you pink? What did I get her that was pink? What did I get you that was pink?
You know
My
what
blush.
this is?
My charger.
Oh, I got her charger broke, so I got her a pink charger. She's gonna get. You know I don't like pink.
Read it.
And you know that. You did it on purpose.
Read it. I said read it.
Girl, who you talking to? Why you? What are we doing? Why are you taking everything out of the bag?
What's in the bag?
They just need to go to me because I'm not the one that use it. I always order their bags when I run out of.
I think I got all these bags in the back of my truck.
I know they was in the back of the car too.
Oh, you take your stuff out?
Yeah, the kids don't be using none of this stuff.
Look outside.
They used this dentist when we first started because they had just opened. They gave them electric toothbrush, all 3 kids electric toothbrushes. It was sweet. It was sweet. Yeah, Xavier don't use his, of course, obviously. Hey. Oh, Xavier just get it. What they say? Did they say?
They said don't come
Dude.
back here ever again.
They slotted out all of next week just for you. It's gonna be an overnight pack a bag.
Did you tell me I came here last time and then I can't brush my teeth this morning.
You didn't brush your teeth since the last time we was here? You don't got no issues we need to work on?
No.
You don't need no work.
No, they're on both the charts.
Huh? Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Do we pay for it?
His teeth ain't paid. Pay for it? Not yet? When we check out?
We ain't checking out. We're walking out.
Xavier
They
is...
should've got us when we can't leave.
Xavier's 19 now, so insurance no longer covers the fluoride for his cleanings. What? Why? So we have to pay for the... We have to pay $20. Can I just bring my own toothpaste? We gotta pay $20 for the fluoride.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are they okay?
No cavities or anything.
Thank you.
Cool.
Make sure he's flossing. Okay?
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're done. No cavities. We are cavity free. 3 for 3 on cavity free. 3 for 3 on cavity free.
I've been cavity free for 7 years.
For 7 years. How old are you? Why did you have a cavity at 5? 3 for 3 on cavity free.
Let's go.
You dumb, shut up. So we stopped by Ross first. It is pouring. Got my umbrella. So hold on, see if I can get. It's pouring down outside. Anyways, we were over here by Ross, so we stopped by Ross first, then we go to Penny's. We're looking for pants now, Zia. Zia, look for pants. I found a shirt, so I don't know. Are these dress? No, those are not dress pants. Here, over here, Zia. I don't know what size this boy is. Zia, do you remember your size? They don't have a lot of options. None of these work. Watch out, Sky. They don't have a lot of options here. What are these? What are these? What size is that? Is that his size? Is that his size? Is that his size?
Maybe.
Did you say maybe? Yeah. Let him try them. He can try them on. I don't see any. No more dress pants. No, these are different. Nope. And they don't have blazers. I don't see any blazers in here, so. Alright, let's just go try these on.
Why would you wear shorts?
Let's see what else. Kind of jackets. I love these little ottomans. I think these are storage ottomans. I want one of these. I don't know where it would go though. Oh, I could put it in my room. $89, golly. Those are so cute. I like these little chairs. Oh, I like the little white furry one. Those are cute. And that one. Where did they go? They probably somewhere playing. Look at them. They play too much. Oh my gosh. He be picking up the craziest, stupidest thing, telling her to look at it. Ooh, I just love Ross. All the bathrooms. I don't need nothing else. Oh, that lamp is pretty. I only have one. That one right there. So pretty. I only see one of those though. I need some lamps. That's what I do need. I haven't gotten lamps yet. I just don't know how to decorate. I wanted to do something with our room, but I don't know what to do. I did get some tables. Oh, that stuff is, I love candles. I did get some, I need a new candle too. I use bedside that stinks. Bedside tables instead of like a nightstand. Anyways, it serves as a nightstand, but I wanted to put lamps on it. I actually kind of forgot about that part, but whatever. I think I could find, what is this? Fresh baked apple cake cup. Oh God, that smells so good. I need some more autumn candles. Oh, pumpkin. Oh, it smells so good. What is it? Pumpkin quince. It's $5.99. I have to come back by here. Look at that. What are they doing? What are y'all doing? Okay, I'm gonna go over here so Isaiah can show me what he working with. But this is so pretty and bright.
Yes, we have. Me and Sakai have been looking around the store for stuff.
Look at that. Whoa, I'm looking at, wait, which way is the ground? Oh, that way.
Sakai, what are we looking for next? We found a perfect chair for you to do her hair.
To do what?
Her hair.
Oh, I found some nice chairs. Wait, I gotta wait for Zeb. I have to wait for Zeb. Look at this, turmeric and Ross. But I already got mine from, what was it, Trader Joe's?
Are we buying spices and
Himalayan pink. I'm not buying the spice. I'm just looking. I need some new spices, some different spices.
From Ross?
What's wrong with Rolls? I know. Don't hate, baby. Don't hate.
It's not.
There's
where
nothing.
You buy spices.
If they got spice and I want it, then that's where I was gonna get bought.
I'm not gonna eat that.
You gonna eat whatever I cook. You gonna eat whatever I cook.
Hey, you take it out there right here. You walking all the way out.
Oh, you like it? It works. That works. The whole bam. It works. The whole thing works.
No.
Perfect. Took us 5 minutes. Now we just gotta find the blazer and the tie. That'll be the tie. Will be easy. What? Okay, come on. Let's go see. I just want to see look at the chairs again. Y'all getting on my nerves. I need a new cutting board, honey. I need a cutting board. Hold on. No, I need a new one. Oh, that's a whole set. I need that. Oh, that's cute. God, look, this is cute. That dress right there. That little dress. What? God, that's perfect. Yes. But how I'm gonna do her? It doesn't raise up and down. No. Does it raise up and down? Well, she already too tall. She had to step up to get in there. This one does. Look. Oh yeah, girl. Get that hair did. That's a comfortable chair. I do need to do her hair. How what we doing to it? Cause it's raining and she has cheer all next week, like 2 days next week.
5 days next week. Just cheer.
Wait, you had the pep rally thing on Wednesday, so is y'all's regular game still on Monday?
Yeah.
See, we got cheer out
2
next
games
week.
on
wouldn't
Monday,
it be on
game on
Monday?
Wednesday, game on Thursday, game on
Oh
Friday.
yeah, and then pep rally on Friday. See, yeah, we gotta put it up. Cause we have to put it up,
Hey, me and Scott,
cause her has to be up for all that cheer. Home, shut up.
we're looking for homecoming.
Look, I like.
So Scott's going to homecoming.
Oh. That's cute, cuz.
No, it's not.
It is cute.
Why is it so cute?
That's cute.
That's not a homecoming dress, baby. It's not a
She ain't going to homecoming. She in 7th grade.
This is
We're breaking stuff up there. What?
This got
That's
bling
pretty.
on it.
No.
Come here.
You better quit. My baby ain't about to be putting on nothing like that no time soon. These are pretty though.
Homecoming dress is like-
She ain't in home. She's in 7th grade.
Huh?
She's in 7th grade. Look at
Everybody
this
else in high school, so
hat.
we can get homecoming. Sky found this
I
hat.
can't.
Come here.
What is that? Kelly. Oh, Kelly, you don't want the hat? God, infatuated with California for some reason.
For some reason.
I mean, I'm saying she's never been, so she doesn't know much about it. That's why I say for some reason. She only knows what she sees on YouTube, which
He's
is giving her kind of a false sense of what it really is. I've been there. But we're gonna take the kids. It's just we like Florida so much. I say if chance we go somewhere, we just go to what?
Spring.
Oh, see.
What? You like those?
No, it's just Burks. You have to get it.
Bert? What?
They just on sale.
Actually,
Look, you don't want these blue Puma socks?
Crocs.
Oh, let's find Isaiah shoes in here if we can find some.
I just did.
But wait, doesn't he have shoes? Doesn't he have?
You should just wear mine, man.
Oh, look at these right here though.
We're the same size. Oh, yeah. Those probably be comfortable.
Oh, he's a 14. My baby's a 14, just like your daddy now. He's probably looking for us. Those are whack. I like LeBron. I don't like them shoes.
I said it has good shoes.
My knee hurts so bad. Oh. Ooh, babe, look at these throws. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Velvet plush throw. Honey, we need to snatch up a couple of these for snuggling on the couch. Oh my God, feel this one. Throws. Feel it.
Oh, yeah.
It's for like the
I
couch.
would never be able to have it. Everything
That's why I said a couple.
She steals.
What?
You steal every color I get.
No, I don't.
Okay, we need to get 3
Where's the chef
or
bar?
4 because they would take the.
Where's the chef bar?
What is it? This one's only like $12. They're not that much. 14. We need to get a couple. Honey, we need to get a couple.
How much are they, sweetheart?
It's like 15.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw it in the bag.
Shut up. I don't even have it. 12, babe, $12.99.
What was it originally?
Oh my gosh, shut up.
Never pay full price for anything.
Oh, you so stupid.
Everything is negotiable. Besides your soul.
But what?
Soul is not negotiable.
Let's go. Where's Isaiah? Look at these pillows. We need new pillows.
feel them, man. You can't just say we need
We do. That's why we can't ever go nowhere.
see.
What do you mean? We go places every weekend.
Because of how y'all act.
We go places every weekend. What do you mean we can't go nowhere?
We need a comforter. Where's the king size?
Look at this Tommy one. We need to get another Tommy one.
Mom, you have 5 covers. You just got a cover like a month ago.
We're talking about how much we have. Much.
I know. I want a big, thick, fluffy one. Whoa.
She can't steal. Like, once again.
Be quiet.
Oh, honey, look at this one. Move, Sky.
You don't need a new cover.
Try this one. See how that feel like. It's about to be winter, too. Oh, that look. Hold on.
Yeah, no, that feel hot.
No, it feel good. Yes.
Yeah.
Look, it's all
Get that
soft and look at the
Like
inside.
hot.
No, we gotta get that.
You just got a new cover.
How much is that?
Whoa.
Babe, it's only 36.
What do you mean only?
Oh,
Hey, listen.
Yeah,
You guys get
feel like-
new covers every month.
where's my baby? How long it take that boy to?
Because they don't know where we are.
He probably trying to put the pants on the hanger. Can't get it. Put the. Oh, honey, we need a rug. Oh, there he is. See, told you he couldn't get the pants on the hanger. He got the hanger in his hand and the pants on his arm. All right, baby.
You gotta get
Yeah.
Gucci.
Where is my Gucci?
It is Gucci.
Girl, put that up. I'm put the Gucci and Ross. He's going to put his bag up because we're walking down to
TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx
We are.
to see if they have a blazer.
Hurry up.
Be quiet.
Sit right there for what? Sit right there. It's wet.
She said she didn't want to go, so I just told her to sit right
Oh, here comes there. Okay, let's go.
Why are these baskets over here? This is not TJ Maxx. Give me these baskets.
I like how they have this kind of like gravel or whatever, like to keep you from slipping. Come on, Sarah. And oh, this is Home Goods. Wait, no, it's TJ Maxx and Home. Is this? What is this? Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, umbrella. What? That was a bust. There were no blazers in TJ Maxx. Dad, come on, baby. What are y'all doing? Let's go across the street. We're going to the mall to JCPenney to find a blazer.
Go.
These two don't know how to stop playing. They never go nowhere. Standing in the rain, waiting on everybody to get out the car because they're taking their time. Sky's nose started bleeding, and this thunder is crazy. This rain is crazy. People did not deter anybody from getting out shopping. I'm only out here because Isaiah needs this. I guess we could have went tomorrow. Whatever. We're here. So, oh, we're going in Penny's. There's the one across the street. I thought we was going to have to go to the mall. Hoodie?
Because I like it.
Ooh, that light. I mean, that thunder. Thunder. Not gonna work. What is he doing? Fish your collar. Pop your collar. No, that was not gonna work. Yeah, seriously though, JCPenney has to sell everything that's on clearance. Well, not everything, but a lot of stuff. When you see the yellow stickers, you can get an extra 50% off of the pink sticker. So that's amazing. We just can't find his size. They don't have a lot of black jacket blazers. Here's some over here, maybe. Isaiah. You could be Michael Jackson or Bruno Mars. I said, don't be tripping. Or we can go with the maroon velvet, be Prince. Oh, the red, the bright red. What about the haircut though? Okay, so what do we do now? Is there another section? Why don't you come over here and get some suspenders? Suspenders is professional. What's up? You should get these pink suspenders. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you will kill it. Right. Tell us he need to get some suspenders. Tell us he need to get some suspenders.
Yeah.
I found some pink ones. Oh, look. We can go with the corduroy with the patch. Elbow patch. Okay. So where next? To next? Oh yes, Macy's. Let's go try Macy's. Yeah, they probably don't have that sale. I said, look, they got on the what are those? Chucks? All Stars? Vans? Yeah, same thing. I said, you could go like that. I said, let's look at that. What's speech got to do with anything? Let's go. Come on. Didn't find what we needed in pennies, so I don't know where we're going now. Where are we going, honey? You try to look. Did you find? You try to look online, but okay. I'm gonna wait till I get in the car. So we're gonna go try to find something to eat and maybe try to look online somewhere where. So we're gonna try to look online and find a blazer online somewhere maybe, and then I don't know. From there, I don't know. We can try to figure it out tomorrow because it's just too wet and messy out here today. We're going to Jack in the Box, I guess, because everything else is just too, Chick-fil-A is too crowded and rain. So we're going to go in here real quick. These phones. I'm so hungry.
I had a wonderful breakfast. My wife made it this morning at home that I ate at home.
I forgot to. Xavier ate mine. I made myself a breakfast sandwich too, but Xavier ate his and mine because he was going to work, so I let him. I didn't want him to be at work shaking and starving and hungry. So, I forgot to show my breakfast sandwiches. My sausage, egg and cheese McMuffin on English muffins. He called it a breakfast burger. They look good. I know they were good. A little bite I had. Waiting on BK.
Waiting on what?
Yes. It's my burger. Got my fries. And they can't get off the phone long enough to eat. I'm not waiting. We've had dinner and we tried to watch a movie, but thing kept buffering.
Because Kai's Wi-Fi.
That's not true. So we came to, can you see? You can't really see. Anyway, late night run to Krispy Kreme. I don't even like Krispy Kreme. Like, the kids like it. Kai, you like, well, I can't see you, girl. What the heck? Don't say it's okay when you always be asking for it.
I do, or is this it?
Anyways.
Can I have a dozen of
So, they,
yes,
like it,
and then
but I don't know why I've been like
cake.
craving it for like the last week. Yeah. Yeah. So
Yes, that's all.
I've been craving it for like a week. So anyways, we decided to make a late night run to get some Krispy Kreme. It is 10:06 right now. They close at 11. I don't think they have like a fresh light here, but it looks like
Thank you.
they warm. Why I say warm? Hold on. Let me see if these are warm. These are kind of warm. We just got a dozen glazed, and then I got a blueberry cake. Kai, do you want one now? Huh?
Cake.
Honey, do you want one?
No.
I'm gonna taste one that's warm. So I don't
Chick-fil-A's open.
like these because it's just. Wait, what the heck, golly? Yeah.
You're the one that's been craving.
It's good. Okay. We're calling it a night. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired.
Yeah, I'm ready to go to bed.
Night.
Look,
Okay.
they're walking.
Hmm?
They're walking their food to somebody.
Look, they're probably walking home and they just got food with them.
They're walking home to somebody.
Look at her.
Maybe we'll order like
Look at
that.
me.
Yeah, please. If that was me.
If that would do what?
I know.
Whatever.
I
Wow.
rue the day when I do that.
Boy.
Rue the day. You know what rue means, Kyle? You must never watched that before.
So you know that from iCarly. You'll rule the day.
That was from Captain Jack
That was
America.
from iCarly.
Captain Jack America.
What?
Yeah,
That's not a thing.
It's not a thing.
that is a thing.
I meant to bring a
You mean
water.
Captain Jack Sparrow?
Same thing.
No.
He didn't say rue in that.
Did you say that, Kyle?
This did like 5 minutes ago.
Bless you.
Bless you.
I rue the day you ever thought you captured Captain Jack.
Oh. Maybe he say you will rule the day. Rue means regret. So he probably told them that they would rue the day that they called.
All I know is to say rue sometimes, and I'm going to say rue the day.
Good night. Good night.
Night.
Good night.